In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare items in your Amazon cart, guiding you through a full and straightforward process to make the best purchasing decisions. Let's dive right in. To begin, open your web browser and head to Amazon.com. It's the starting point of our journey. Once there, make sure to log into your account. This step is crucial as it allows you to access your personal cart and all its features. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. It only takes a few minutes, and from there, you can start exploring the millions of products available on Amazon. Next, let's move on to adding products you wish to compare to your cart. As you browse through Amazon's extensive listings, you'll find the Add to Cart button on each product page. Use it to gather all items you're interested in. Be mindful of choosing products you genuinely want to compare in terms of features, price, reviews, or any criteria important to you. Now that you've got your desired items in your cart, head over to your cart page. You can do this by clicking on the cart icon at the top right corner of the Amazon homepage. Here, you'll see all the items you've added. To facilitate an effective comparison, open each item detail page in separate tabs. This way, you can view all product details side by side. Right-click on each product name and select Open in a new tab. This method not only helps you avoid constant back and forth clicking, but also gives you a clear view to easily note differences or similarities in the product specifications. Additionally, while on a product page, consider checking out similar brands on Amazon. You might discover an alternative product that you hadn't initially considered, potentially offering better value or quality. Product pages will often suggest similar items from various brands right below the main product information, leveraging Amazon's vast inventory to ensure you have the best options right at your fingertips. Now that you have all these products open and have conducted your comparisons, it's time to pick the best one. Decide which product meets all your requirements and preferences. Factor in price, quality, reviews, and any available discounts. Once you've made your choice, remove the unwanted items from your cart to avoid confusion. With your final choice standing tall in your cart, proceed to checkout. This process involves confirming your shipping details, selecting a payment method, and should you have one, applying any available promo codes. Once everything is set, you're ready to place your order. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the process of comparing items in your Amazon cart. This method not only saves you time, but also enhances your shopping experience by making more informed decisions. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.